Hi, and thanks for joining us today for our Love Your Home Renovation Tip of the Week. I'm your host, Jackie Stezik, Project Manager and Marketing Director for Multi-Trade Building Services. Each week, we'll be bringing you a new renovation tip about general renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior design, and so much more. So be sure to check back each week to learn a little bit more. This week, we're going to be talking about niches. They're not just for showers. Now, the photo that you see here on this slide does show a shower niche. It's a zero clearance shower that we built for our clients in North Oshawa. And it's a beautiful, large sized tiled shower niche. We installed 3 glass shelves in it, which allowed them plenty of room to store large and small items within their shower. This is the most common uses for niches today, but I think it's sometimes because people don't always think outside the box. When it comes to shower niches, there are so many different options. Let's explore a few of them now. Here's one that we see inside of a walk-in shower again. So exactly what is a shower niche? Well, it's a very simple process. It's basically a recessed opening that allows you to get your shampoo, your conditioner, and your soaps up off the floor and into a little area that's recessed inside the wall so it doesn't take up any extra space within your shower. You can see this one is a taller one. It's approximately 12 inches by 20, and there's one shelf in the middle which allows them to have two different areas to put soap in one area, shampoo and conditioner in another. This one was also tiled, and it's a nice glass mosaic accent tile, which corresponded nicely to the shower walls that we put in as well as the floor of the shower. However, there are so many different options for shower niches. Here's one that's a small one, just a simple 12 by 12. It allows room for one shampoo, conditioner, and soap in the middle. This is a pre-formed shower niche. However, they can be custom built. The previous two that you saw are ones that we actually built, custom made them, framed them in, and then tiled them. This one is an all-in-one stainless steel unit, so nothing needs to be done other than slipping it in, and that's it. Here's one that's two-tiered. These we find are very popular because the shallow portion at the top allows you to put your soap, or in this case, they had a squeezed out shower gel. And then on the bottom, you've got your taller shampoos, conditioners. It allows you to store more area in a relatively small space. We've also installed two of them on the same wall. In this one, the inside of it is tiled. The framing of it is actually quartz, which matches the threshold on this particular shower. And then it's just framed in from there. This was a his and hers, his on the top, hers on the bottom, and ultimately it allows you again a bit more space. These are becoming a lot more popular, having them long and horizontal. Again, it gives you the same amount of space as doing a smaller one that's tiered, but this way it's horizontal and across an entire wall. This works really well. You can see in this instance, they have the subway tiles, very, very long subway tiles in this shower. The long horizontal ones work really well for this. And they're not just for showers. And this is where we need to think outside the box as well. Here's one of those long horizontal ones, but it's inside of a tub. Now, why wouldn't we want to put them inside of a tub? The only other place we can put shampoos and conditioners is on the edges of the tub, which tends to get messed up when shampoo and conditioner gets overflowed. So why not put a niche inside of a tub wall as well and get all of that stuff up off the tub and into a little niche? What about other options? Why not create a wall niche in your family room or in your basement man cave and display some of your favorite collectibles like these guitars that were put inside of this wall niche? What about above your bed? There's always stuff that we want to just tuck away somewhere in our bedroom. Put a little recessed niche above the headboard in your bedroom, and you can put your favorite books there. You can put little glasses of water. Anything you want can be tucked away there. And what about the built-in look all around your fireplace? This is a great place to store special artwork, sculptures, and it creates a whole built-in feature right around your fireplace. So if you could use more storage in your home and you want to talk to us a little bit about where you might be able to install a niche, give us a call and we'll gladly schedule your free consultation and quotation. So in order to reach out to us, you can reach us via email at info@multitradebuildingservices.com, or you can call us direct at 905-259-3344. Thanks so much for joining us today for our Love Your Home renovation tip of the week, and I hope that we've helped you learn to love your home.